How to launch Windows Media Player? Left-click the Start menu. Left-click the All Programs link on the Start menu. In the All Programs folder, locate the Windows Media Player shortcut and left-click once to launch the program. How to rip an audio CD into MIF format. Insert an audio CD into your CD-ROM drive. In Windows Media Player, left-click the Copy from CD link on the left side. On the right side, left-click the Copy Music button to start the process. The first time you click the Copy Music button, you are presented with a security setup window that specifies on what devices you can play back the ripped audio. On this window, you can specify whether copy protection should be added to your music. Add copy protection to your music. Select this option to have security added to the music copied from CDs. This limitation permits playback of audio CDs on the PC where the tracks were ripped. Do not add copy protection to your music. Select this option to have no security added to the music copied from CDs. Music copied from CDs can be played on any computer or on any device. Accept copyright protection. Notice select this option to agree with the copyright law associated with Windows Media Player. On this window, you can specify settings for the copied music. You can change formats or leave the existing settings as they are. Change my current format settings. Select this option to customize options for the ripped CD tracks. Keep my current format settings. Select this option to make no changes for the ripped CD tracks. This window will appear if you selected the option to change current format settings on the previous window. You can specify where music is stored and change copy settings on this window. Copy music to this location. This option specifies where Windows Media Player should copy the music files. To specify a different folder for copied music, browse to the specific folder on your computer and left-click the OK button when ready. To change how the files are named, left-click the File Name button and you will be presented with a window as shown in the following figure. You can customize the file name of copied music by selecting the details you want to include on each file name. To change the order of how details appear in the file name, left-click to highlight the required detail and left-click the Move Up or Move Down button accordingly to specify where in the file name the requested detail will appear. To add a separator, specify an option by left-clicking the separator drop-down menu and selecting a character type from the list of choices. A preview of how the file name will look is shown below the separator label. It automatically updates based on the changes you make within the criteria shown on this window. The bottom half of this window will allow you to change the format for your ripped audio. Changing formats. In Copy Settings, under the Format label, choose a format for your audio files. The default is Windows Media Audio because Windows Media Player does not support encoding into MP3 format. You need to download and install an appropriate MP3 encoder in order to rip audio files into MP3 format. Copy Protect Music. This option allows you to add copy protection for your music files. Copy CD when inserted. This option instructs Windows Media Player to automatically start ripping the tracks off a CD when the disc is inserted into the CD-ROM drive. Eject CD when copying is completed. This option instructs Windows Media Player to automatically eject the disc from the CD-ROM drive when the ripping and encoding procedures are finished. Audio quality. This option determines the quality of your encoded files. Drag the slider left to decrease the quality of the outputted files. Drag the slider right to increase the quality of outputted files. The following table summarizes how much disk space each particular quality uses.